In the next few minutes, you're going to build your own AI image generator and video generator. You don't need to know how to code, you don't need to pay for anything. All you need is a free Google account. So let's get into it. We're going to use Google Opal to do this. Navigate to Google Opal website and sign in with your Gmail account. Once you're inside, you'll see a bunch of pre-built apps. Click Create New at the top. You'll land on a blank canvas. Look at the top of the screen. See where it says User Input? Click that. Then select Generation. 2 nodes will appear on your screen. Connect them together. You're going to see a bunch of different models on the right side. Select your model. I'm going with Nano Banana Pro. Then tap on Advanced Settings, which you'll see on the bottom. Set your preferred aspect ratio here. Now let's see how to use app. Click on Preview from the top menu. Then tap on Start button to use your app. A text box shows up. Type what you want to create. For example, a cat sitting on a chair. Click Submit. Wait a few seconds. Your image will appear. At bottom, you can find Download option. Tap on it to download your image. If you want to make another one, see that little refresh icon? Tap it. Your app resets and you're ready to generate another image. Now let's build the video generator. The video setup is almost the same structure. Create new app and create user input and generate nodes again. This time, open the drop-down and select a video generation model instead of an image model. That's literally the only difference. Go down to Advanced Settings again. Pick your video model version, set your aspect ratio, same process as before. Just now you're making videos instead of images. Now to start your app, click Preview. Type your prompt, something like a car driving down a road. Click Submit. Wait 1 or 2 minutes. When it's done, you'll get a video without watermark. If you think this is the only way to generate videos without a watermark, you're wrong. There are other ways too. Check out this video to learn them. You can also create an image to video app. Let me break this down. At the top, this flow is for image generation. The user gives an input, it goes into the generate node, and then you get your output. At the bottom, this flow is for video generate. Again, the user gives an input, it goes into the generate node, and you get the video output. But the output node from the image generation is also connected to the video generate node. Now the image you made automatically becomes the first frame of your video. Here's what happens. You ask for an image, like a sunset over mountains. It creates the image. Then, that same image goes into the video generator. The video generator takes that image and adds movement to it. One more thing. There's actually an even faster way to build any app in Opal. You can just type what you want. For example, type Create an image generator app that takes text input. Click Submit. In a few minutes, Google Opal creates the whole app for you. Then you click Start. Follow what it tells you to do to create your image. So here's what you've actually learned. You understand the basic structure. Input, generate, output. That structure is the same for every app you'll ever build here. By the way, Google Opal is not the only place where you use Google's AI tools. There's another platform as well where you can use all these AI tools too. Watch the video on the screen right now to know about it.